Hi, my name is Kasia and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, or hi guys, I'm back after a month. It has been a long time since I have filmed anything. It's been a long time since I've even interacted with you guys. So to everybody that's still there, thank you. I appreciate you. It's just there's a lot that's been going on in the world. And I was dealing with my own personal stuff, so I just took a step back. And for a while it didn't even feel appropriate to film anything to put out. So that's definitely another reason why I haven't been filming anything. But I am back and I'm better. I'm feeling much better. But one thing I do want to let you guys know, I'm leaving a link in the description box of my videos indefinitely. I don't know when it's gonna stop. If it's gonna stop, I'll leave a link in my description box so you guys can donate, sign petitions, just find some way to help with the Black Lives Matter movement and everything, because that's something that's definitely important to me. If you follow me on Instagram at Kasia.Bay, you'll see that I took my YouTube channel out my bio and then put the link for the Black Lives Matter petition and donations. Just some ways to help, and my channel will probably stay out of my bio indefinitely, just because our Black lives aren't disposable, and it's time, it's time to make some shake. It's 2020. So the link will be in my bio. Just if you can't afford to donate, I completely understand. There's definitely a lot of petitions in there for you guys to sign as well. They don't take long at all. Even if you just do 1 or 2 petitions, it means something. I know, I try not to get too deep into it because it'll make me emotional, but honestly my heart breaks because every time that I'm getting on social media, there's a new Black life. There's another Black life that we lost, and I don't know, my emotions can't really handle it anymore. So if you guys can please just do what you can to help, as far as signing petitions, donating if you can, even just reposting the link. It'll make a difference, you guys. I promise it will. But anywho, onto this hair. If you guys want to see how I got these chunky Rihanna inspired faux locks, definitely keep watching. And yeah, let's get into the video, guys. So I've started by parting my hair. Okay, psych, I lied. I started by oiling my scalp with my black castor, Jamaican black castor oil and wild growth mixture that I put in this bottle. So I do half of the wild growth and half of the black castor oil. And then I took my almond jai twisting butter by Camille Rose, and I just put it over my head like that. So I parted a bunch of sections. I'm not in a spinny chair yet again, but I parted huge sections with rubber bands. I found this, there's this trick that I think that's supposed to help fight against breakage when using rubber bands in your hair. And it's just to oil your rubber bands. So in my tub of rubber bands, I just squeeze some oil in there. So I just wanted to show you guys how I went ahead and parted my hair. Like I did with my passion twist video, which will be here or here, one of these two. So you can go ahead and watch my passion twist video. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little method down as far as how I'm going to add the hair in, and I will be right back with you guys. And I'm back. It's been 4 hours, which is great because I only have 2 left. Sorry if my energy is low. I'm tired, very tired. I'm gonna show you guys how, so I'm on my last 2. I don't know, I'm sorry if you can't see because it's a lot of hair and it's all black, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do my little last 2. I'm using the equal Cuban twist hair in the color 2. I got the color 4 as well, just because, you know, these are like Rihanna inspired locks, and she had like a little bit of mix of like a lighter brown in it, but it just didn't happen this time. It's fine. But so far I have like 4 pieces left, and this is going to be exactly what I need for these 2 pieces, so that would total 4 packs. So I am doing the rubber band method just because my hair is so short. So I did go ahead and section it off with rubber bands. Okay, so I'm going to take my crochet hook. I'm going to make sure that this little latch here is down or open, and I'm going to stick the hook through. Take a piece of the hair, hook it on, close the latch, and then pull the hair through. And just pull one side through. So I'm going to do that to the other one, just to show you guys again. So just like last time, making sure the latch is open, sliding it through, put the hair on, close the latch to the best of your ability because this hair is thick. And pull through. Sometimes if it's hooked, it's okay. And then separate it and pull one side all the way through. Boop, boop. Ta-da! So now I just make sure that the pieces are even. So just pull them, make sure they're even on both sides. And then I just twist down. And as you can see, like all of my hair is sticking out. I don't worry about it because it's gonna get wrapped. So it's not a big deal if it sticks out because it's gonna get concealed under hair anyways. And that's the magic about these things, it's the beauty. What am I trying to say? That's what's so good about these locks, is like they're not supposed to be perfect, like they're supposed to be messy, which is why like my edges are out and I have some of my hair in the back out. So I try to twist all the way down. If it unravels, it's fine. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. To wrap the lock, I take a piece of the Cuban twist hair and take the end and line it up underneath. Then I just try to stretch the hair out a little bit and wrap around. And this is what secures the little piece at the bottom. So I wrap around the top a couple times, like 2-3 times. And then I spread out and try to focus on covering up my hair. And then I just continue wrapping the rest of the way down. I'll just stretch the hair out a little bit and wrap it over. One thing you just want to make sure of is that you're wrapping and make sure that you don't go like into a twisting motion, because then you will have done a twist and not a lock. So yeah. And you don't have to wrap tight at all either. It's just that with my nails and whatnot, it's easier for me to wrap a bit tighter. The end will be kind of pointed. You can literally just break that apart with your fingers. And just keep on wrapping. You're gonna wrap till you run out of hair at the bottom. And then once it gets to the end and it's kind of hard to hold, I just hold it like this and then just begin to twirl it around. And I'll take any like, you probably can't see, but I take any like stray pieces and then I wrap them around kind of where I put the last piece of hair just to kind of help secure it a little bit. And then palm roll it. And this little piece at the end, you can either leave it or like, I'm just gonna cut it off later. Another thing you could do is like break the tip and you could like wrap the hair upwards. So that's how I've been installing them. I'm going to wrap this last one. We're basically done. Like, this is basically it. I am going to go to bed first of all because it's 1:30 in the morning. But I'm going to like cut all the little ends off and stuff, and I'll come to you guys more presentable. So I'll be back, y'all. All right, y'all, and this is the final look. Excuse my background. I should have said this in the intro. Excuse my background. I'm trying to like get it together. I should have got a paper background, but I didn't. Anywho. So I do, oh, I should show you guys. But these are the locks. I lied when I said that I was gonna like cut the ends off and stuff. I don't know. I left them on there. I feel like it adds character. One day I might cut them off. Maybe I won't cut them off. We don't know. But let me see if I can. So they are pretty long. Some of them touch the top of my butt. So it's lit. So I did end up using 4 packs of the equal Cuban twist hair. I did show it in the video. I got it from my local beauty supply store. But I'll find a link somewhere where you can get it on like Amazon or something like that. And I did use the color 2 for Rihanna's locks. She had like a mix of 2 colors, like a dark like like this and then like a lighter dark brown, if that makes any sense. Because I've done this style before, and I did mix like the color 2 and the color 4 to kind of like make some of them completely lighter and then some of them almost like an ombre type. I just decided not to do it this time. I don't know, I think it turned out good regardless. I used 4 packs of the Equal Cuban Twist, the 24 inch. I know they have a shorter one, I think it's around 18 inches. So if you don't want them this long, obviously, then you can go ahead and just get the shorter hair. They're super lightweight too. Like last time I did these, I did them in a way where I ended up using like 7 or 8 packs of hair, so they weren't heavy, but I could like feel them a little bit. And since my hair is short, I don't really want to have anything heavy on my head, but these are perfect. Like they're not heavy at all. How would I tie my hair up to shower, you may ask? What I do is I just flip my head over completely. I take a silk scarf and tie it around, almost like I'm putting my hair in a ponytail, and then I take and wrap the hair around to put it in a bun and then tie that to secure it. I get in the shower, I wash my butt, and I get out. Boom. One thing I will do, just like to preserve my hair underneath, I will oil my scalp with my Taliah Waajid black castor oil and my Wild Growth light oil mixture. So I'll just like oil my scalp. I'm probably gonna do that today. We're promoting healthy hair growth around here, you feel me? Also, I'm almost hitting 6 months for my big chop, so I expect a video on that soon. Just as far as, you know, how I've been taking care of my hair, maybe some like growth update pictures, things like that. If there's anything you guys want to see from me, definitely leave it down in the comments below. But I thank you guys so much for watching and being patient with me, especially the people, because I've seen that some of you guys have my post notifications on, which is like mind-blowing to me. So the people who actually, you know, for people who actually look forward to seeing my videos, thank you so much for your patience with me. Yeah, I've just kind of been going through it, and I was in no headspace to film at all, just because I only want to give off positive energy to you guys. But I think I'm done rambling. Don't forget, click the link in my description box to sign petitions, donate, just find ways to help just towards the Black Lives Matter movement. There's also like bail funds and things like for protesters as well. So definitely click the link in my description box just to find some ways to help. Also, don't forget, I have social medias. They will be in my description box as well. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you feel like it. Don't forget, if you guys need anything at all, you can always hit me up. Whether it's in like the comment section, whether it's in my DMs, it's always open to you guys, just in case you need anybody to talk to. I just want to make sure that you guys stay in a good headspace as well, just because everything can get overwhelming right now, especially like with the virus, and then everything that's going on in the world with the Black Lives Matter movement, as far as police brutality, even like the white supremacy shit that's going on right now too. Like just you guys keep your head up. And if you need any help, just hit me. I'll be more than happy to just listen. Even if you don't want no advice or nothing, if you just want to be like, oh, I just wanted to say this, just don't respond, like that's cool too. I don't remember exactly when, but a minute ago we hit 500 subscribers. So thank you to every single one of you. I just wanted to make sure that I express my appreciation to you guys whenever I get the chance. Yep, we're at 550 now, so thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.